Passionflower. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most beautiful and unique plants called the passionflower. If you are interested in unique and attractive plants, be sure to stay with us. The passionflower, or passiflora, is a perennial and flowering plant native to tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas. This plant is known for its beautiful and unique flowers. The flowers of the passionflower have attractive color combinations and intricate structures that easily capture anyone's attention. I hope this is what you were looking for. If you need any adjustments or additional content, feel free to let me know. Passionflower care. The best soil for passionflower. The soil for this plant should have good drainage. For passionflower, you can use a mix of regular soil with sand and peat moss, or a combination of gravel, regular soil, and leaf mold. During the growing season, you can fertilize the plant every 2 months using a complete fertilizer, such as a 2-0-2-0-2-0 blend. How to water passionflower. This plant blooms well when the soil moisture and watering are appropriate. Passionflower should not be in dry soil. Plants kept in pots require more water compared to those planted in the garden. In winter, it's best to let the potting soil dry out before watering the plant again. The survival of this plant's roots in winter depends on the soil moisture. Adequate light for passionflower. The climbing passionflower needs 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. In the hot summer, it's better to place the plant in the shade, which greatly benefits the plant. Morning sunlight is better for the plant than direct sunlight in the afternoon. Optimal temperature for passionflower growth. The minimum temperature this plant can tolerate varies, with the branches being less resistant than the stems. Optimal blooming occurs at temperatures between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. In winter, the best temperature for keeping passionflower is between 12 to 18 degrees Celsius. Special care. Pruning. To encourage better growth and prevent overcrowding, regular pruning of the branches is recommended. Fertilizing. Use balanced fertilizers and feed the plant every 2 weeks during the growing season. Pests and diseases. The passionflower may be susceptible to various pests such as aphids and spider mites. Regular inspection of the plant and using appropriate solutions can help prevent these issues. Benefits of growing climbing passionflower. When we want to read about the benefits of the passionflower, we should first know everything about it. Here are the benefits of the passionflower. 1. Reduces cholesterol. Passionflower helps reduce cholesterol levels. 2. Helpful for hyperactive children. Passionflower is important for children who are restless and hyperactive. 3. Reduces cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Using passionflower can help reduce the risk of cancer and cardiovascular diseases. 4. Promotes calmness and treats insomnia. Passionflower acts like diazepam, promoting calmness and treating insomnia. 5. Relieves pain and hot flashes. Passionflower is used to reduce pain and hot flashes. 6. Treats constipation. Passionflower seeds contain fiber and have laxative properties, making them effective for treating constipation. 7. Effective for nervous pain and seizures. It is very effective for treating nervous pain, seizures, and relieving nervous weakness and depression. 8. Good source of vitamin A. Passionflower is a good source of vitamin A, which is beneficial for vision strength. Side effects of passionflower. 1. Causes drowsiness. Excessive use of this plant can cause drowsiness. 2. Avoid during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Women should avoid excessive use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. 3. Not for children under 3 years. It is prohibited for children under 3 years old. 4. May cause diarrhea. Overuse can lead to problems such as diarrhea. How to plant passionflower. 1. Best season for planting. It is best to plant this flower in the spring. At the beginning of summer, passionflower can be propagated by cuttings. It takes about 3 months for the cuttings to root. 2. Planting from seeds. Passionflower can also be planted from seeds. Before planting the seeds, it is better to soak them in water for 12 hours. It may take up to a year for the seeds to germinate. The passionflower is an excellent choice for those looking to add beautiful and unique plants to their collection. By following simple care tips, you can enjoy the beauty and beneficial properties of this plant. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our future videos. Share your thoughts and questions with us in the comments section. Have a great day until our next video.